Greetings, my viewers, and welcome back to Electronics Fun Zone. Today we are learning one of the most important ideas in electronics. Can you guess what that is? It is an electronic circuit. If you want to build anything from blinking LEDs to smart devices, it all starts with a circuit. By the end of this video, you will have learned more about circuits. So, let us get right into it. An electronic circuit is a complete loop or pathway that lets electric current flow. For electric current to move, the path must start at a power source, like a battery or a power supply, and then it returns back to the source. Think of it like a highway used by cars. If the highway is continuous, the traffic will move smoothly, but if the highway is broken, the cars stop. The same case with the current. It will move smoothly if the circuit is complete. What makes a circuit work? Every electronic circuit has three main parts. 1. A power source. This is what provides the energy. Examples: batteries, USB power, DC adapters, and power supplies. 2. A path for electricity to flow. This includes wires, printed circuit board, and breadboard connections. 3. Components that do the job. These are the actual workers in the circuit that perform tasks. Examples include LEDs, resistors, switches, capacitors, transistors, and integrated circuits. We shall learn each of these components in details in our later episodes. Types of circuits. A. Series circuits. The current has only one path to follow. If one component breaks, the whole circuit stops working. B. Parallel circuits. The current has multiple paths. If one path stops working, the others can still operate. These two types form the foundation of all electronics. What do circuits do? A circuit can turn on lights, make sounds, control motors, sense temperature or light, process information, connect to the internet, run entire computers and phones. Every device you use, from your TV to your phone, it is built from circuits. Basic examples of simple circuits. LED circuit. This circuit contains a battery, a resistor, an LED, and a breadboard. This is the easiest circuit a beginner can start creating. Once the LED glows or lights up, it will be an indicator that you have successfully made a working circuit, unless there are other factors like battery having low voltage or a faulty component. Switch circuit. This circuit contains a battery, a switch, and a bulb. As the name suggests, the main component here is the switch. You will be using it to turn the bulb on and off. Breadboard test circuit. Breadboard is usually used to test ideas without soldering the components. If the circuit works on the breadboard, you can then go ahead and create a circuit on PCB, printed circuit board. Now that you have learned what an electronic circuit is, I would like you to look for these items and make your simple circuit. Look for a small size breadboard, a 9-volt battery, a 330 ohms resistor, an LED, light emitting diode, and jumper wires. Connect them in a loop and watch the LED light up. This is your first working circuit. After you have done the practice of creating that simple circuit, let me know in the comments how you have fared. Also in the comments, feel free to ask me any question about circuits. This is just the beginning. We'll keep on advancing to more complex circuits as we move along. And that's the basics of an electronic circuit, the foundation of everything we'll be building on this channel. Stick around for the next video where I'll teach you how to build a simple LED circuit step by step. We also have other videos in this channel about circuits and LEDs. Please watch them too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in our next video.